Good morning students. Today we are going to start practice set number 3.2. In that we have the two kinds of the sums. The first one, if we have the letters regarding any information. So how we can find out the answers? Means we have to learn to make the polynomials. And the second kind of the sums, operations on the polynomial. So let's start first by using the letters how we can make the polynomial. Let's see. Question number 1. Use the given letters to write the answer. We have the question number 1. There are 8 trees in a village left. Number of trees in a village is A. If the number of trees increases by B every year, how many trees will be there after X years? Means we have to find how many trees will be there after X year. So let's start. The first thing, whatever we have at present, that we have to write the number of trees at present is equal to A. The number of trees increases every year is equal to B. That should be increases as B. Therefore, the number of trees increases in X years is equal to. That is, we are going to do the multiplication between these B and X. B into X is equal to Bx. Therefore, the next line, that should be the number of trees after X years is equal to. That is, at the first already we have the number of trees A plus total number of within X years, how many of the trees will be increased? That is Bx. So A plus Bx. That is our answer. This way we have to use the letter and find our answer in the form of polynomials. Now move for the next sum. That is, for the parade there are Y students in each row. Y students in each row and X such rows are formed. Then how many students are there for the parade in all? So let's start. First we are going to write, what is this Y? The number of students in each row. The number of students in each row is equal to Y, and the number of rows is equal to, that is X. Therefore we can say the number of students for parade in all. How we can find? Number of rows will be X and number of students in one row. In each row will be Y. So that is X into Y is equal to XY. This way we have to find the answer. Now move for the next sum. That is the tens and unit places of two-digit number are M and N respectively. Write the polynomial which represent two-digit number. First, the tens and unit place of two-digit numbers are M and N. Tens M. This links with this, and unit N. How we got that M is tens and N is unit? As because they mentioned the word here respectively. That means what the comes first, the number first also related with that. Second we have unit, so second we have n. So n is at the tens place and n is at the unit place. So let's start. So first we have to write the place value of n at the tens place is equal to n into 10. We know the place value. If we are finding the place value of at the tens place, we have to multiply by 10. That will become 10m, and the place value of n at the unit place is equal to n into 1, that is n. Therefore, now we have to find, they are asking find the polynomial which represent the 2-digit number. Therefore, the 2-digit number is equal to the number at the tens place 10m plus number at the unit place, that is n. So 10m plus n is that number. The next concept is operations on the polynomial. Whenever we are talking about the operations in mathematical, so that means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These all are considered the operations of the mathematics. So let's start. The first one we have addition. Whenever we have the addition of the polynomial, the few things we have to remember. The first one, that we have to remove the bracket. The second, collect the like term, and after that add the like term. So means we have follow the first step, remove brackets. Second, collect like terms, and third, add like terms. Like terms means the terms which have the same number of index, that we can say that is like terms. Here we have example. This example is a question number 2 add sub question 1 is this. So here we have the two polynomial and we have to do the addition of these two. So let's start. First thing, we have to put that x cube minus 2x square minus 9 first bracket, as because you can see here semicolons we have put the sign of plus, as because we are doing the addition. Now write the second bracket by the different color, so you will get much more understand and easy. 2x plus 9 this way. Now we have to follow the first step. We are going to remove the bracket, so that is x cube minus 2x square minus 9. Then remove this bracket, so we will get, if we have the sign of plus before bracket, so no sign of any term should be changed of the second bracket. So plus 5x cube plus 2x plus 9. Next step is collect like terms. Like terms means you can see here we have x cube, yes. So first we are going to write that x cube plus 5x cube. This one is the first. Then we have x square. Do we have any other x square? No. So minus 2x square. Then we should write x. We have x plus 2x. After that we should write, here we have the without variables, that is constant. We have the 2 plus 9 and minus 9. Minus 9 plus 9. This way we collect the like terms. The next step is add the like term. So it will become x cube plus 5x cube, that is 6x cube, minus 2x square as it is, plus 2x as it is, and this 1 minus 9, 1 plus 9 will become cancel, or we can say 0. So this will become our answer. Once again, first we have put the bracket, then we have to remove the bracket, collect the like terms, then we will get the final answer by adding the like terms. This way we have to solve the example of the addition of the polynomial. Now move to the subtraction of the polynomial. Here also we have to follow the same 3 rules. That is, the first one, remove brackets. The second one, collect like terms, then add like terms. Here don't confuse by the hearing that word, that add, as because whenever we are collecting the like terms, after that we have to do the addition of that. So let's start. First we have to put that all in a bracket. X square minus 9x plus root 3 minus, second bracket we are using the another color, so minus 9x plus root 3 plus 7x square. In the next step we have to remove the bracket, so x square minus 9x plus root 3 as it is. Whenever we have the minus before any bracket, that time if you open that bracket, all the signs of all terms will going to change. So this minus become plus 19x, this plus become minus root 3, this plus become minus 7x square. Now the next term we have to collect the like terms. Yes, so first we have the x square, we have here also x square, so write it there, x square minus 7x square. Then here we have minus 9x, here we have 19x, minus 9x plus 19x, then plus root 3 minus root 3 plus root 3 minus root 3. This way we collected the like terms. Now we are going to do the addition of these like terms. X square minus 7x square. If one number is plus, another is minus, we have to do the subtraction. So 7 minus 1, that is 6x square, and we have to put the sign of bigger number, that is minus, so minus 6x square. Second we have the same plus and minus, so 19 minus 9, 10x, sign of bigger number, that is plus 10x, and here we have the minus root 3 and plus root 3 will become cancel. So we can say minus 6x square plus 10x is the answer of this subtraction. This is the question number 3 of your exercise number, practice set number 3.2, question number 3, subtraction. So you should be considered all the other sums like the same way. Now move for the next operation, that is multiplication. Whenever we are talking about the multiplication, at that time we can say all the terms of second bracket, or we can say the second bracket should multiply by all the terms of first bracket. That is the rules, means second bracket should be multiplied by all the terms of the first bracket. Here you can see by example x raised to 5 minus 1, and second we have the x cube plus 2x square plus 2. So first put that all in a bracket, x raised to 5 minus 1, second bracket x cube plus 2x square plus 2. Whenever we have the two brackets along the side, so how we can write x raised to 5, now write the second bracket, x cube plus 2x square plus 2. Then second term, that is minus 1, again the second bracket x cube plus 2x square plus 2. This way we have to arrange this. Now in the next term, this x raised to 5 multiply with the first term, then second term, then with the third term. So x raised to 5 multiply by x cube plus x raised to 5 multiply by 2x square plus x raised to 5 multiply by 2. This way we have to consider the multiplication of first bracket. Now the same way we have to multiply the minus 1 multiply by x cube minus 1 multiply by 2x square minus 1 multiply by 2. This way second multiplication of the bracket we have to open. Now do the multiplication. The first one, this x raised to 5 and x raised to 3. Whenever we are multiplying, so x raised to 8, as because reason you can write, if a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So plus x into 2x in x raised to 2. So 2 x raised to 7. As because here nothing is there, the constant, so we can say 1 is there with x. 2 1s are 2. X raised to 5 into x raised to 2 will become x raised to 7. Here plus 2x raised to 5. The second one, minus into plus become minus x cube minus into plus become minus 2x square minus into plus become minus, that is 2. This way we can do the multiplication. Now once check whether there is any like terms. We can see no. So that will become our answer. This way we have to do the sum of multiplication. This is the question number 4 of the practice set number 3.2. Sub question number, actually this is the sub question number 2. The rest you have to solve by your own 1 and 3. Now move for the next operations, that is division. Whenever we are talking about the divisions, the first thing we should write the dividend into the index form. First we have to arrange the dividend into the index form, then we are going to do the division. Here we have x cube minus 64 and x minus 4. So dividend is equal to x cube minus 64 divisor x minus 4. Here we have these two. Now according to our rules, first we have to write the dividend into the index form. So index form of dividend is equal to, what is that? That is x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 64. Let's start. X cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 64 divided by x minus 4. Now start. Here we have the first term of the divisor x, and first term in the dividend we have x cube. Here we have the index 1, here we have the 3. The best thing to find out how much we want the index now, 3 minus 1, that is 2, means x raised to 2. Yes, now this x square multiply with the both x as well as 4, both the term of the divisor. So x square into x become x cube, x square into 4, 4x square, 4x square plus into minus become minus. Whenever we are doing the division, we are subtracting that, so sign will become change. This x cube is plus become minus, 4x square minus become plus. So this plus and minus become cancel. Here we are getting 0x square plus 4x square, that is plus 4x square plus 0x minus 64. The rest one we have to copy. Now again here we have plus, put the sign of plus. X square, here we have x raised to 2 raised to 1. 2 minus 1, that is 1 we want. Here 4, there is nothing, means 1. So we want 4. 4x into x become 4x square and plus. Plus into minus become minus. 4x into 4, that is 16x. Now according to our rules we have to do the subtraction, means change the sign. This plus become minus, minus become plus. This will become cancelled. The next one will be plus 0x plus 16x become plus 16x minus 64. As because here we have the plus, put the sign of plus. Here we have x, here also we have x, means 1 there. No need to multiply with the x. Here we have the 16. Here we have 1, so 1 16, so put the 16 over here. 16 into x become plus 16x. 16 into 4, 64. Minus into plus become minus. Now according to our rules we have to change the sign by the minus. This plus become minus, minus become plus. Plus 16x minus 16x become cancel. Minus 64 plus 64 cancel. We have the remainder 0. After that we have to follow the rules, that is dividend is equal to divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. We have to write the answer in this form. So let's start. We have the dividend, that is x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 64 is equal to divisor we have x minus 4 multiply by quotients we got x square plus 4x plus 16 plus remainder we got 0. This way we have to write the formula of the dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this way we did all the sub question, all the first sub question of the each and every questions of the practice set number 3.2. The remaining sums you have to solve by your own self. That is the homework for you, and that you have to solve and submit in your group. Thank you so much.